Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today we'll unbox this IBF refrigerator, which is of 197 liters. See, in the last video I said I'm just replacing my old refrigerator because it is consuming too much electricity power bill. So that's the reason I just research on the internet that which is the one of the best refrigerator which takes very less power. So I could found out this. See here, this is the 5-star rating with 128 uh, units usage per year. So these are approximate, you can say the star, but yeah, one of the best refrigerator. And see here, these are the specifications. Refrigerator which is a direct cool single door, and this is the model number IBF DC, this is one. And input wattage is 35 watts, capacity is 197 liters. Yeah, so we'll try to open this box. And this refrigerator is blue color. And please do comment once I open this package. Please do comment how do you feel about this refrigerator, the look and feel, and also show you the working. And I'll also keep the first item in the fridge. You can guess what is the item I'm going to keep the first one in the refrigerator. So let us unbox this. So actually yesterday I received this pack, but the person who made the delivery asked me to not open this immediately. So that's the reason I waited for the one day. It's 2 hours is enough, but as it came through the traveling, through the transport, there may be chances of this one, the gas in the refrigerator, to get disturbed. So I didn't open yesterday. That's the reason I'm just opening it today. So you can also make note of this. Yeah, and I'll tell you the price details and everything. Yeah, if you can see this arrow this side up, so I need to remove this sheet from, yes, down to top. Okay, yeah, see here, with the thermocol sheets the packing is pretty good. So I just taking this out from the bottom to top. Yeah, see here, this is the bottom stand, I guess, and this is the main refrigerator. And the packaging is pretty good with the thermocol sheets to avoid any transport damages for the refrigerator. Yeah, so first I'll unbox this and later the main refrigerator. Yeah, see here, even for the bottom stand also the thermocol sheet protection is there for the packaging, where you can keep this vegetables which we keep outside of the refrigerator like onions or potato. See the stand. I'll just talk about the build quality. Yeah, see here the IFB branding at the bottom. The build quality is decent, you can say. Yeah, decent, good enough. I would not say very much tough, but yeah, good enough. Okay, yeah, let us open this for the first time. And please do comment how do you feel about this refrigerator. Yeah, one extra protection here. So we need to just remove this tape. The packaging is pretty good. Yeah, there is one cover here on the top of the door, so I can peel it off, but I'll do it later. So there is one. Another here. So yeah, this is the real look of the refrigerator. Let me open the door and show you. As I just opened this refrigerator, let us check the main highlights of this refrigerator. First of all, this is 5 stars and less energy consumption, and this is of the 2025 model, year 2025 model. And this is the model number, and type is direct cool, which is 1997 liters. And coming to the main thing, fast ice making less than an hour. So please do comment if you want me to check this fast cooling technology. So I'll be keeping the freezer in the minimum, not maximum and not minimum, I'll be keeping it to the medium here. This one the freezer adjustment in the minimum, and I'll be checking the water converting into the ice. And later the second highlight is thick installation, better cooling, stabilizer free operation, auto connect to home inverter, 10 years warranty on the compressor, advanced inverter compressor refrigerator. So this is inverter compressor refrigerator. That's the reason consumes less power bill. So I'll be testing it for 2 to 3 months, and I'll be comparing my previous electricity bills with the current electricity bills. And please do comment if you want those details also, so I'll be making another video. Coming to this here, if you can observe, this is hard material, not the plain one. Just like this is not the plain material. See here, this is good solid sort of material, and this is the back profile. Clean back profile is clean for this. Yeah, see here, I just removed the outer cover, but if you prefer to keep it, you can keep it. Yeah, I'll be see here, for glass sort of refrigerators you will see a glass beading here, but I guess this is not the glass or something like that, but the finish is somewhat looking close to the glass. You can see here the reflections, see the reflections of my hand, but this is not the glass I guess, but the finish is pretty good. The finish is pretty good. For the first time I'll be just opening the refrigerator, and this is 197 liters, and this is the egg tray. Okay, the packaging is perfect. See, this is of very good plastic, thick plastic you can say, or the glass or something like that. Yeah, we'll check it later. And you can observe smart freeze, and this is the knob, temperature control knob. Super cool, off, on, and 1 to 6 adjustments I guess. Yeah, and echo in the sense you can keep it to echo. My camera is unable to reach there, but there is echo here, and I guess this is for the electricity purpose. So, and they gave the indication something like for winter it is 1 to 2 you can keep, for monsoon is 2 to 4, and summer it is 4 to 7. As it is summer, you can keep anywhere from 4 to 7. Okay, there is a manual defrost button here. Okay, and these are the glass, toughened and safe. Okay, strong and safe. Yeah, and this is also looking pretty premium. Okay, yeah, there are some stickers I need to remove I guess to open this, and fruits and veggies. So in order to open this tray, yeah, I just need to remove this tape. I'll be just opening the tray and show you. This is the fruits, or you can say vegetable basket, and yeah, this is removable. Okay, I'll be keeping this as inside. See, and there is adjustments here. If there is for the moisture to maybe this is the moisture lock I guess. For which, see, for vegetables you need to keep like this, for fruits you need to keep like this, maybe different technology. Yeah, healthy and fresh. So what else do you, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. And yeah, I'll be opening the freezer. This is the freezer space. Okay, yeah, let us switch on this refrigerator. This is the final fitting and connection of this IBF new 5-star 197 liter refrigerator. See, for the first time I'm just switching on this. I'll be opening this. See here, this is what everything looks like. Pretty decent, pretty attractive, nice finish, smooth working, silent working. Yeah, As I said, the first thing I'm going to place here is I'll be cleaning this one ice cubes tray. I'll be pouring some water and keeping it here. And please do comment if you want me to check how fast it is making the ice. Yeah, see here with water filled, I kept this two ice cube trays. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. And I kept this at the eco mode. There is super cool mode also. All I'll be testing in the review video. Meanwhile, if you ask me to do a testing video of how quickly it is doing the ice, I'll be posting the separate video, but I need enough comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yo, that's it. Yeah, there are some customer care details here at other side of the refrigerator, so I'll be switching it on now.